If you use Linktree, you want to watch this video so you learn why it is sabotaging your Instagram account.
Okay.
Hi, welcome to today's video, and today I'm going to teach you how to optimize the link in your bio so you can increase your leads, generate sales, and also increase engagement on your Instagram account. Now, first, I'm just going to tell you why it is so important to not use Linktree on your Instagram account. And that is, it is giving people way too many options. It is clean and simple, too many options, not a good thing, not for the link in your bio. But first, I just want to let you know that this is a video in a kind of a 3-part series where if you haven't already watched this video of how to get more likes and comments on your Instagram posts, and also another video of how to get money or how to make money using Instagram stories, you definitely want to watch those 2 videos so this whole entire video little mini series makes better sense. It creates a nice little funnel system for you in order to increase sales, generate leads, and increase your engagement on your Instagram account. Now, going into why this link in bio is so important. So basically, as you're growing your Instagram account, you are going to want to get people's emails. I've said this in a couple videos already, that email is king. If you've heard me say this before, hit that thumbs up right now. Ultimately, as you're growing your influence on Instagram, whether it's your personal brand, whether it's a business, whatever it is, you want to have a direct communication with your followers, and you also want to know who your true followers, aka fans, are that really listen to you, they value what you have to say, and they want to learn from you. And this is how you go about it. You're going to optimize that link in your bio to give away something free to do with your niche. And once you start growing your email list, now this is kind of down the road, you can use that entire email list subscription in order to then tell them about your new YouTube videos or that new blog post or that discount code that you just got. That is when you can push those notifications out to your email list. But if you give your followers so many options up front, you're not really going to grow a community. You're not really going to grow your influence in email. And let me give you a real case scenario really quickly to tell you what I'm talking about. So have you ever watched Instagram stories or you've read a caption on a post and the person says, "Oh, this is so awesome. I want to give this to you guys and it is free," or whatever, but click the link in my bio and you will get it. And then you go to the link in their bio and all of a sudden it's Linktree and you have 50 million tons options of going to see their YouTube channel or their website or another company's website page or a blog post or this, that, or the other. You have so many options, and now all of a sudden, 1, you kind of forget what the hell you came here for, or 2, you get shiny object syndrome and you're like, oh my gosh, I didn't even know they had a YouTube account. Let me click that real quick, and then down the rabbit hole you go, disappearing from their Instagram page. You didn't get the freebie that they were promoting so heavily on their story or Instagram post, and poof, it's gone. That is an epic fail, don't you think? Especially if you went to so much trouble to not only say something on your Instagram stories or your feed and you're promoting this item, and then you led this person to get so many options and they didn't even go to get what they were really interested in. You don't want that. And as you grow your influence, as you grow your account, whether it's for business, whether it's for personal use, whatever that is, so you want to have this one link in your bio that goes directly to this landing page for the person to click on. Then they go to it and it will say, "Hi, I'm giving away this freebie for you." Something that has mega value to do with your niche. Just put in your name and email address and I'll email it to you right away. The next thing I want to cover is what is a good freebie. So I know there are people of all different niches watching this video right now, whether you're a personal trainer, a nutritionist, maybe you're a relationship coach, maybe you sell online courses or you're a business coach. You want this freebie to be either a free PDF download that is multiple pages. Maybe you can do a link to a video that you've created that's full of value and knowledge. And you can also send them a exclusive discount code or coupon if you're selling products or something like that. Basically, they get access to something that they cannot find or get any other way from you unless they put their email, name and email, into that opt-in page to get that download. So with that, your freebie is something that has mega value. It's something that people will want, something that people will learn from, and also learn that you are an expert in the field. That, hey, when you have an issue with anything else to do with that niche, they are going to come to you because you know exactly what you're talking about. So after they do that, they'll put in their name and email. They get into your email list, you send them the freebie download, and this so-and-so cycle kind of continues with you sending out information every single week, whether it's new YouTube videos, whatever. Or if you don't even have anything to be offering on a weekly basis, that is totally fine. But just capturing that email right off the bat and getting that is the first step into growing and monetizing your community. Because let me tell you really quickly that having that subscriber base really helps when you go to generate sales, to generate different leads for different products that you're offering. And as an influencer, you can actually get paid by companies to send out emails to your email list, depending on the size of your email list. And lastly, let's not forget that you don't own Instagram, and I've said this in a couple videos already, and say if it goes down again for a day like it did not too long ago, or maybe you lose access to your account for whatever reason, you want a way to be able to communicate with your true fans and tell them, hey, I don't know what happened to my Instagram account, I got hacked, but come find me on YouTube for the next week until I get set up, or whatever it is. So I know some of you right now are going like, oh my God, I don't know what an email list is. I don't even know what a freebie is. Like, how do I do this? How do I get someone's email and give them something for free? Comment down below, email funnel, and I'll create a video showing you guys exactly how I do it and how I've been able to generate consistently over 300 new email subscribers every single month to my email list by using this system. It is completely free, it's simple to do, and it's once you have it set up and going, it is seriously just icing on the cake when it comes to promoting anything that you have to offer. And another thing that you don't want to forget that you definitely want to do is optimize the bio line, the line right above the link, and have it say what your link is for. So for example, with mine, as you can see right here, I have a point down emoji that gives eyeballs to make sure they look at that link. I have the words free, or it's the first thing that I say. I always say free, whatever it is. For me, it's an influencer starter guide because I want to generate leads that want to grow and monetize their Instagram accounts. Like, that is my niche, that is my business. So they're gonna get something free from me that is value driven. So my influencer starter guide, which I'm sure you guys already have, and if not, make sure you click the link down in the description below so you can get it. It tells an influencer how they need to post on Instagram every single day. It has like ton of value and content, and it's like 5 or 6 pages long. So then when that person gets this download, they learn that 1, I know what I'm talking about, 2, they just got some really valuable content from me for free, and 3, I'm starting to build that trusting relationship where they know that if they probably have any questions, concerns, comments about becoming an Instagram influencer or growing and monetizing their Instagram account, they can come turn to me for help and advice and just to kind of pay attention to what I'm doing and what I'm teaching, which is really, really cool. And that is exactly what you want to do and the environment that you want to create with you and your followers. And I know this video is more on the business side of things versus just like how to grow your Instagram account, but this is a major step in your Instagram business as you're becoming an influencer, as you're growing your influence, your presence, because down the road, you will have to definitely set something like this up. So even if you're just getting started, even if you don't have any products or services yet, create something of value that you can give away to your followers, to your true fans, because 1, they're gonna love it. You're gonna start that good relationship right off the bat, especially if you're giving away something really, really good. And again, if you want more help with either figuring out what your freebie is or how to create this whole email funnel system, just comment down below. Let me know what I can help you with, because I've been doing this for over 10 years and I definitely have a lot of experience with the do's and don'ts behind it. And in the next video, I'm talking all about followers, the ghost followers, the bad followers, the dead followers, the followers that you never get likes from, that you never get comments from. What do you do with them? And how do you get rid of them? I'll give you a quick tip right now. You do not want to use the apps that do the Instagram follower cleaning for you. No, but you want to tune in. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, because that video is coming to you next and you don't want to miss out. So thanks again for watching this video, you guys, and I'll see you later.